Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning podcast. I am Ali.
And I am Sarah. Today, we are going to talk about a very important topic, time management.
Yes, Sarah, time management is something we all need in life. But first, let's explain in simple words. What is time management?
Time management means using your time in the best way. It's about planning your day and doing things on time without wasting hours.
Exactly. You know, Sarah, everyone in the world has the same 24 hours. But some people achieve great success, and some people do not. The difference is how they manage their time.
Right, Ali. For example, a student who studies on time, completes homework, and also takes rest, will perform better in exams. But a student who wastes time on mobile or games will face problems.
That's so true. I think we should talk about why time management is important.
Good idea. Listeners, here are some benefits of time management. You finish your work on time. You feel less stressed. You get time for family and hobbies. And most important, you move closer to success.
I agree. I also want to add one thing. When you manage time well, you feel confident. You don't panic at the last moment.
Yes, I have experienced that too. So Ali, let's share some simple steps on how to manage time.
Sure, step number 1 is, make a plan. Before sleeping, write down what you want to do tomorrow. Even a small plan makes your day better.
Very true. Step number 2 is, do important work first. If you have an exam tomorrow, study before you watch TV or use social media.
Good point. Step number 3, avoid wasting time. Sometimes, we spend hours scrolling on mobile. We should control this habit.
And step number 4 is, use small times wisely. For example, when waiting for a bus or sitting free, you can read a page of a book, or listen to English podcasts like this one.
Haha, yes exactly. Even small efforts daily make a big difference.
Step number 5, take breaks. Don't work all the time. Take short breaks to relax your mind. Then, you can focus better.
Sarah, I want to share a short story about time management.
Oh yes, please do.
Once, a teacher showed his students a big jar. He put big stones in the jar and asked, "Is it full?" Students said, "Yes." Then he added small pebbles, then sand, and finally water. The jar still had space. The teacher said, "This jar is like your time. If you fill it with useless things first, there will be no space for important things. Always put important tasks first."
Wow, that's a great example. It shows that if we don't give priority to important tasks, time will be wasted.
Exactly. And remember, lost time never comes back. If you waste 1 hour today, you will not get it again.
Yes, so friends, from today, respect your time. Make plans, do important work first, and avoid wasting hours.
Sarah, before we close, let's share some quick tips.
Sure, sleep on time and wake up early. Make a to-do list. Don't try to do everything. Focus on few important tasks. Give time to study, health, and family.
Perfect. And finally, always remember this. Time is life. If you respect time, you respect your own life.
That's a beautiful message. Thank you, Ali.
Thank you, Sarah. And thank you listeners for joining our podcast. We hope you learned something useful today.
Keep practicing English, keep managing your time, and see you in the next episode.